Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K here. I just want to go over a trade. I want to go over a couple of things, guys. Okay, first of all, this is a trade we took this morning live. We trade live every day at 9 a.m. And this was a US 30 trade we took this morning. Okay, let's break it down real quick. Okay, we had like a fair value gap here. First of all, it came up here, right? It broke structure. We had to break a structure here. So we had a fair value gap here. We were waiting for a pullback. It was actually here. I think it was a fair value gap. Guys, if you want to go see the trade live, today is August 21st, 2026. You can go just look on my channel. I trade every day live. We're 5-0 this week, as usual. I hate to say that, but it's just true. And you can find the trade for that day, and you'll see this is the exact same trade. I'm just recreating it here now. But I did take this trade live this morning, and it's on my channel. So we went to a little drawdown here, guys. I didn't take another entry here. It wasn't far enough in my view. There was an area here that I might have taken another entry, but this wasn't far enough. But in the end, guys, the trade went 110 pips. I had the TP set right here at the top of these candles. The bodies of the candles, not the wicks. Right before the pre-market high. See, this was the pre-market high. So I figured it was going to come here and sweep, grab this liquidity and drop. And that's pretty much what happened. It ended up going back up, but it came right to this area, the pre-market high, swept and dropped. So that was today's trade, guys. Another thing I want to talk to you guys about, I hope you can see this. All right, I'm going to show you something. This is my back office. Okay, this is my win rate. I've been looking around in the back office trying to show you the best way to see this. Let me go here. I'm going to make this bigger. Let's see. Full screen. Okay, you see what it says losers 21? I don't know if you can see that. And then if I click on the blue part of the circle, it says winners 274. All right, and that's from my back office, guys. I don't want to show my back office exactly. Let me show you this. I'll just show you here. I sent myself an email. So this is the loser. Right, when I click on the red part, it says losers 21 and winner 274. Can you see that, guys? And that's the deal, guys. That's from my back office, from the broker. I don't know how to figure out what kind of win rate that is, but I know it's over 90%. It's got to be like 95%. I was trying to figure it out right before I came on the video. I can't remember how to do it. I was pretty good at math when I was a kid, but I haven't been to school in 50 years. So, but yeah, so that's it. So it's got to be like 95% or something, 96%. That's what I'm guessing. But some of you geniuses out there, and I don't want to show my back office on the computer, guys, because I don't want nobody. I know how you guys are, man. You'll figure out how to get in there. But guys, too, listen. I've got this little signal group going on Telegram, and I want to move it to. Okay, it's free. It's a free signal group, guys. So get in there if you get a chance. You'll find the link on any one of my videos. And what I want to do is I want to take that group, whoever's trading under us, under me, the broker, and put them in another group where we actually break down the trades. I'll show you really how I manage the trades. Okay, I don't trade all the trades. I take one trade a day on YouTube. We call it the daily win, you know. And after that, I trade on the daily usually. Most of my other trades are taken on the daily, and I just put them in that Telegram group. But what I want to do is open another group. It's going to be free still, but you just have to be trading under me in the broker. But the one thing about this broker is it pays down 5 levels. So I made a page for the broker. Let me show you the page, if it'll come up. Okay, this is a page that you can use if you want to share the broker. Okay, if you click this link now, you'll see. I don't know. I guess you can't see that, but it comes up to my sign-up page, right? Let's click it. I clicked it already, so let me see. So it brings you to this page to sign up for the broker. And you can see here, this is my partner code. So if you just copy your partner code, not mine, yours, guys. When you after you sign up, you go to get your partner code from your back office. All right, you'll see it in your back office under the affiliate tab. You just bring your partner code, not the whole link, just your partner code. Right, you come down to the bottom of the page, paste it here, and click rebrand. And then it'll give you a link right here that you copy. You copy that link, put it in your notebook and stuff, or wherever you put it. But just hold on to it, paste it into your notebook, and that'll be your page. So when you use that link, the page will be coming up. And when you press right here, when you show the page to somebody, they'll press here to join the broker, and you'll see your link down here on the bottom. You'll see your link, your partner code on the end of the link. All right, guys. So this is just something if you want to use it to promote the broker and to promote the signals, because the signals pay 5 levels down in the back of the broker. It's 5-level commission. So it gives me a little something for doing all this. And it's a good way to earn extra money for everybody. You can earn a little extra money while you learn this. You can learn from the signals, and you can earn from the affiliate from the broker. And this just helps you get the word out. Okay, I'm going to make a little better video. There's a video here now explaining it, but I'm going to make it a little better. All right, so that's the deal, guys. So we're 5-0 this week again, as usual. I'll be back trading Monday morning, 9 a.m. Okay, guys, join me in the Signal group, guys. All right, the Signal groups are free. All you got to do is trade under the broker with me. So you just join in the broker. You need a broker anyway. And this broker is good. Liquid Brokers. I like them. If you already have an account with them, just send them a message. Tell them you want to switch to my code. You'll see my code in that. If you click that page, you'll see my code there on the sign-up page. All right, guys. So that's it. Have a great weekend, guys. We had a great week. We made like 700 pips this week just on the live stream. I'm not going to lie. We're down a little bit in the Signal group, but the trades are still open. And we're going to come back, roaring back next week, guys. But over 700 pips just in the Signal, just in the live streams this week alone. All right, guys. And you can see the win rate. That's the real deal, Holyfield, man. I wouldn't lie about that, man. It's embarrassing. If you don't believe me and you want to see it, send me a message, and I'll get on Zoom with you and show you my back office. But I'm not going to put it on YouTube because I know there's some crazy people on YouTube, man. They're crazy and they're smart. They'll figure out how to get in my back office. I'm worried about that. But anyway, guys, that's it, man. Wake up. All right. Cheers, guys. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you Monday morning on the live stream. All right, guys. God bless you. Have a great weekend on purpose, man. Cheers, guys.